Yo, what's up guys, Yuka here, welcome back to another video guys, and this is how I made literally $0 day trading the Nasdaq and S&P 500 this morning. So let's go through it. First of all, this is the trade that I should have taken, that I was actually almost going to take it, but I did not take it. So yeah, let's delete this for now, and let's go to the daily bias and what was the targets for the day. So first of all, market, we are super overextended on 4 hours. Market moved overnight a lot. Yeah, pretty much since yesterday. We are at all-time highs on ES. So as you can see on ES, we are at all-time highs. Yeah, let's go to the 1 hour. In 1 hour, we had news at 8. So we had this news candle that went down and sweep out these 1 hour lows and filled this 1 hour fair value gap. On NQ, it did not sweep out these 1 hour lows. So for me, really, we were bullish just because even though the price was super overextended, I was bullish. I wanted to see all these highs get taken out on NQ so that we could be closer to all-time highs as ES was. And as ES, I wanted to see these levels, which is pretty much the Fibonacci of the retracement levels, get swept out. This bias for the day was pretty much wrong because we are super overextended. We'll probably want to move lower to fill more of this 4 hour imbalance. These highs up to these highs, boom, right here. This equilibrium at least of it, also filling this 1 hour fair value gap before we move higher. Yeah, that was pretty much it. My bias was pretty much wrong, and that's pretty much it. Price was super overextended to the upside, and then we have all these draws down here that we could potentially sweep. But yeah, market opens. What I want to see is price to move lower, hopefully sweep out these 5-minute lows, hopefully go to this 5-minute order block and breaker block so that you can move higher, especially on the leading index, which is NQ. That did not happen. Market open, we sweep out these 5-minute highs, which is great, nice. Now we can move lower. We invalidate this 5-minute fair value gap as well, boom, right here, creating inverse fair value gap. It respects this fair value gap and moves higher. It creates bearish SMT with ES, so ES goes higher, sweeps out these 5-minute highs, and not 5-minute highs, but these 1-minute highs, and then NQ doesn't, creates a bullish SMT out of that, and a bearish SMT out of that. For me, that's great. Price will move lower, potentially going to hit our targets. When watching market open, I was actually watching this on NQ. What I was seeing was really market opens, we sweep out on this candle, this 5-minute highs, low resistance, low time frame liquidity, and then I could potentially take a short because we get a retracement up into equilibrium, and then we get a break of structure right here, as you guys can see. So if I can show you, we get a retracement into equilibrium right here on this candle. I can show you like this on this candle, and then we get a break of structure. So for me, this was a good trade to take. Take profit one would have been on these 5-minute highs, and that's the thing, like risk to reward ratio wasn't really there, so that's why I really didn't take this trade, and then second take profit would have been right here. But again, because my bias was bullish, I did not take this trade, and that's really hit. Then we create a 5-minute, of course, bearish SMT right here, which would have been probably a better trade, but for me, like, I saw like, okay, 5-minute bearish SMT would potentially move lower to order block, breaker block, equilibrium, filling this 1 hour equilibrium, then we could potentially move higher, but that didn't really happen. And let's see if there was any kind of if there was any kind of confirmation to take a trade right here. Of course, this is the leading index. The candle ends right here on this 54 candle. So we are waiting now for a retracement. We already got inverse level gap, SMT confirmation. Now we're waiting for a retracement up to feel some kind of continuation confidence. We have this fair value gap getting filled afterwards. Boom, we get a kind of reaction of that, which is actually a break of structure. So enter on that bitch, boom, test stop loss, put it tight because it's already, or you can put it right here, or can put it right here on this fair value gap hand, boom, enter on that. First take profit will have been on these 5-minute lows. Again, risk reward ratio was not there, even if you put it right here, was not there. Second take profit, I think I would have put it on these data lows because it's strong draw liquidity. To 1.2 risk reward ratio, that would have been much better. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can target, of course, these lows and then these fair value gap lows, and this will have given me a much better risk reward ratio and of course a much better trade. So really, the thing for the day was just messy day. Once you have like this liquidity sweep, for me, this was more like a liquidity sweep to move higher, but data lows are really strong draw liquidity, so that's something to learn and improve on. I didn't know that data lows were like super strong draw liquidity. I thought like this was like a liquidity sweep and there was no reason for the market to move lower, especially with the SMT. But data lows are actually pretty strong draw liquidity, and I'm going to journal about that so that you can learn about it and improve on that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I saw this as, again, as not a magnet, but as a repulsive, really. But it was a magnet because it was data low. So I should have taken this trade. This is a trade I would have taken, SMT form. Again, the earlier trade would have been good as well, especially on NQ, because not on ES, because on ES you will have been stopped out. I was looking more at NQ because of the SMT, and it would have been giving me a very good way, because it was actually a market open sweep out of the 5-minute highs and then move lower. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And also we have these lows, all these low time frame resistance liquidity will support get swept until this 1 hour lows. So yeah, pretty much it, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Again, today I could have made money, I did not, so it's okay. We still work hard. I'll take the weekend off to work on trading and backtesting, which I haven't done it much, and that's really something of the issue. That's why I lost really the other day this week. But yeah, this week we lost one day and we won another one, which I could have really made some money this week, but I did not follow my rules on yesterday's trade, and that's really the issue. I did not take any partials on take profit too. We were also forming a bullish SMT. So again, like I was not in the last few days, I wasn't in the game, and now like I'll prepare myself this weekend, so like next week I can come up, be in my game, and be like crushing it again and trading, just like you saw me doing like last week. Just like you saw me doing when I passed my funnel account. So yeah, that's really the goal, like put myself in top of my game, because I've been distracting me with too much stuff. I've been playing video games, I've been playing too much stuff, I've been on my computer literally doing anything but trading. And like what I like to do is like trading. That's what fulfills me, you know. Every time I get better at trading, I feel better, you know. Every time I backtest and I get more confidence in trading, I feel better. And now, like even today, my bias was completely wrong because of fatal lows. Of course I didn't know that. Something I learned, but like yes, on Wednesday, like shit mistake. Like if I was on top of my game, I would do the mistake. Yesterday, shit mistake as well. Like I'll not take a partials, you know. Like yeah, tough, but you know, still learn, still improve, and that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and yeah, see you guys on next week. Hopefully it is better, and I think on Sunday I'll be dropping some videos for you guys, so some psychology videos, more about that. And hopefully you guys enjoy them. I'll be dropping some YouTube shorts as well, so that the channel can keep booming. And again, like me doing this content actually is fulfilling for me, much more fulfilling than playing video games. Again, like I can spend the whole afternoon playing video games. I don't feel really nothing. Like for me, there's not really a goal on doing that shit. But while I'm trading, I'm learning, I'm improving this skill that can change literally your fucking life, and I can help you guys while doing it as well. That's really fulfilling for me, and that's really the thing that I've been doing, and that's really what I'm going to do more, because really this week I haven't been backtesting much. Like 1 week I haven't even done 1 month of trading, and like per day you should be actually doing like 1 week of backtesting. That's at least my goal, and that's what I need to focus on. Okay, no. So yeah, so guys, see you tomorrow. Sunday probably I'll be dropping some videos, some psychology video, and also after that I'll be dropping some sauce for you guys. So I'll be dropping pretty much more content, psychology videos and short videos. So I'll be locked in on that. So yeah, see you guys on next week. Bye bye. On Sunday. Bye bye.